A boy asked a teacher with a map. A boy asked a teacher with a map. She was busy filling in the absentee gap. Miss, where is Utopia? Dear, I don't know, but I can tell you about Krakosia. Next was the turn of the English teacher. Next was the turn of the English teacher. She was a big reader of a preacher. Miss, where is Utopia? Boy, I can tell you about Onomatopoeia. Then he headed to the librarian, who was a fan of Ashmolean. Miss, Utopia, you know? Kid, it's late. Off you go. Then he ran into his friend, who had his own trend. Do you know Utopia, kids? No, I don't, but I certainly need to catch the last two seats. Now it was the turn of the mother, who was aware of her son's bother. Mom, you know Utopia? Could you tell me where it is? Of course, son, but first, why don't you sit down, please? It is where you have happiness. It is where you have eagerness. It is divine, with disciples more than 9. Mom, will I ever see it? You will, son, but only if you create it.